Subscribe to your chemistry tutor, the TheMSchem. Today we will answer a simple question from the thermochemistry chapter. This question may appear like this as in past papers. The question is, differentiate between exothermic and endothermic reactions with short answer. This question may appear like this. Why in exothermic reaction heat is released from the system? If you have understood this question, it's so simple to answer this question. The answer to this question is here the exothermic reactions are defined as these are the reactions in which energy is released in the form of heat, light, or sound. So the enthalpy change del H is negative, meaning the system loses energy to the surrounding. And look, here are the examples for this reaction. Combustion of methane, respiration, and neutralization reactions are common examples of exothermic reactions. A practical example from daily life is burning of fuel in cars releases heat and energy. And now here is an example from the chemical reactions, and it is formation of water. Here you can see that formation of water from the elements hydrogen and oxygen gives water, and it releases 285.58 kJ per mole of energy. So del H appears a negative sign because energy is released from the reaction mixture. And now example 2 is formation of ammonia. You can see that this is the equation for the Haber process in which nitrogen and hydrogen in appropriate amounts react together to form ammonia gas, and the del H is 41.6 kJ per mole, and this del H is negative in sign because the reaction is exothermic in nature. And now the second type of reaction is endothermic reaction. So these reactions absorb heat energy from the surroundings, so causes a drop in temperature, and the enthalpy change del H is positive, meaning the system gains energy. The examples are photosynthesis, melting of ice, decomposition of calcium carbonate. And I also think of cooking food. Heat is absorbed to make chemical change. And now the example from the chemical reaction. Here the decomposition of water is given. In this equation you can see that water decomposes to hydrogen and oxygen. So del H is positive, means that energy is absorbed into the system. So del H is positive 285.58 kJ per mole. And one more example is formation of nitric oxide from the elements nitrogen and oxygen. Here the reaction in the form of equation is given, and del H is plus 180.51 kJ per mole. This reaction is also an endothermic reaction and heat is absorbed into the system, so del H is a positive sign. So if you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more chemistry answers. See you in the next video.